Continuing with the chapter quadrilateral, class 8, I've taken one question. It says that the diagonals of a rectangle ABCD intersect at O. Further, it says that angle BOC is 70 degree. Find angle ODA. So for that, what we need to do is to make a rectangle. Say I made a rectangle. I've made a rectangle and say naming it as ABCD. Now, further it says that their diagonals intersect at O. So let's join their diagonals. Say I've joined AC and joining BD, marking the point of intersection. So this is the point of intersection. I marked it as O. Now it says angle BOC. This is angle BOC is given as 70 degree. And we have to get angle ODC. This is what we have to get. Now, what we can do here that first we will find this angle using linear pair. As you know, sum of all angles in a straight line is 180 degrees. So this will be 110. 180 minus 70 is 110. Now, after that, we are going to use the property of a rectangle that their diagonals are equal. That means we can say AC is equal to BD. As you know, diagonals of rectangle are equal. Now, moreover, since they also bisect each other, that means O being the midpoint of AC and O being the midpoint of BD as well, I can replace AC with twice OC. Yeah, I repeat, we have AC and BD as equal, and if they are equal, then their halves will also be equal. And moreover, we can also say that since they bisect each other, I can replace AC with twice OC and BD with twice OD. So we can cancel this 2 here and we'll get OC is equal to OD. And you must be knowing that in a triangle, if two sides are equal, like I'm considering this triangle DOC. This is triangle DOC. Here I'm considering triangle DOC. This is the triangle. This is the triangle. Now, in this triangle, we have two sides as equal. That means we have OC is equal to OD. So by the property that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So I'm marking this angle. Say I mark this angle as say 1 and this as 2. The angles opposite to equal sides are equal. That means angles opposite to this side will be equal to angle opposite to this side. So these angles are equal. So I'm naming these angles as 1 and 2, and I can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now, after that, we are going to apply the angle sum property in this triangle. That is in triangle DOC, we have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle DOC is equal to 180 degree. That's by angle sum property. Further, as you know, 1 and 2 are equal here. So I can replace angle 2 with angle 1 as we are supposed to find angle 1. And then DOC with its value as 110 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. Now, 1 plus 1 will give you twice angle 1. And then I can transpose this 110 on the other side. So that will give us 180 minus 110. So finally, we'll get angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 110 is 70. And this 2 on transposing on the other side will get divided. So we'll get this angle DOC. That's what we are supposed to find out. We have to find out this angle DOC. And we got DOC, this angle DOC. We got angle DOC here as 35 degree.